the modern robotic arms are using microcontrollers, sensors, and actuators, which are the high precision. Like sensor produce the sensing object. Like there are several types of sensors like IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor. These sensors are used to precise the distance, and it will sense and due to the microcontroller, which produce the desired output. The block diagram of the industrial robotic arm. It has a robotic model, controller, actuators, manipulators, sensor, and information processing unit, where a given task is sent to the robotic model. It produces signal and it moves to the controller, actuators, which produce the real-time signal into the digital signal, and digital signal into the real-time signal are used as a sensor, and sensor give the information processing unit, which produce to the controller, and controller moves to the task and the task achievement. Here the real-time visual of the robotic arm. Working principle. There are two types of working principle: command process and real-time process. By using the microcontroller, we can command the robotic arm to work in a precise manner, in accurate manner, to avoid the man working, and to automate the purpose. That was the first command process. And real-time feedback. As a real-time feedback, it moves to the adjust and it precise the control, and use the real-time feedback as their input. By the real-time input, they produce the desired output without a noise. And here we can use as like microcontroller and sensors as the feedback and continuous information. These are the key to help in the real-time feedback. Like main components of robotic arm, as I usually say, like microcontroller, sensor, actuators. These are the main components to work behind the robotic arm. The sensor, it process input and manage the control system. Actuators convert electrical signal into mechanical motion. And sensor, detection, force and proximity. Here, force sensor, IR sensors, ultrasonic sensor. These are the sensors used to produce the precise and conform distance, pressure. So we are using these sensors to give the safe and secure system. Like it should be have a very safest mechanism behind it. It shouldn't make any disturbance behind it. Feedback and control system. We are using a control loop system. Like for example, it gives the feedback and like input output. The output gives the feedback and again input. This makes the very closed loop to become a very concise feedback to it. And PID controller ensures the precise position and motion control, and error detection notifies in case of malfunction and deviations. Advanced features with AA feature, AA and machine learning. It has a AA feature. It doesn't include where the controllers are assigned. The AA will use this data set, and ML is trying the specific task and optimization the performance. And this will vision system using a camera. Like it can be detect what is going on. The camera detects the motion outside and converts into the object and try its mode in production in the industrial area. Advantages of a robotic arms: precision and accuracy. It has a precision and accuracy. Accuracy measurement, which doesn't need a man-made or a semi-automation or a manual robotic arms, and increased efficiency. Speed, it has a more speed, like 50 RPM. So it enhance safety, reduce the human exposures to the hazardous environment. The robotic arms are useful to it. application across the industries. Most of the industries like electronics, automotive, these industries are used robotic arm throughout the area to become the production high, efficiency also more high, and precision also high. These three applications are very well immersed in these fields. Like for example, automation cars, like producing the automation cars, like for example, producing a lot of parts of a car. It may be helpful in that way. In electronics, the chip designing a chip, it produces some more chip in a day, and which leads to the cost efficient to logistics, handling the package and sorting the packages, and improve the speed also. Take a list like precision control, compound integration, industrial advantages. Using a robotic arm, these advantages are helpful in the areas. The real-time image of industrial robotic arms in the